that it's extremely hot in South Carolina, I decided to get up early Friday morning because I needed to cut my hedges and clean up my flowers in the front of my porch. Friends, today I am cutting my hedges, and the best way I can tell you to do it is to use some electric clippers. This is the easy and fastest way to do it. And if you are going to cut your hedges, I hope that you do it, if you're doing it during the summer months, that you get up early in the morning. And this is the early morning to break up the day before it is too hot. Friends, I don't have to cut these too often, but when I do, I want to try to do my best with it. So the best thing to do is to use some hedge clippers, and these are electric. And guys, I will leave a link if you don't have any to some suggestions, and if you want to buy some, I'll try to look for some that is budget friendly. And how to cut your hedges, that's all you have to do is take your time and just smooth it on the very top of it, and you can cut it your desired shape that you're looking for, but do not push pressure on your hedge clippers and push the blade down in the bush, because you will have a big dip or cut in it. So it's just like a smooth, just cutting a layer of the top. That's all it is. And you just have to find your desired shape. Friends, I'm telling you right now, it is getting warmer and it's getting hot. But please do, if you're outside, do it early or late in the evening when the sun goes down. Some of our evenings were just so hot. This is a real hot summer. Guys, what is y'all's summer temperature this year? I don't know if y'all are experiencing this hot humidity like we are in the southern states, but it is hot. But thank God for some good old water and some AC. Give God the glory. Friends, this tree here is more at the front of the road, and this one here, I don't cut it down too low, but I don't let them get too big, because if you ain't careful, these hedges can get kind of big and too tall. But with these hedges, you still can cut them down if you need to, because I had to do that little one, the last one, I had to cut it down. Well, I had to stop with this one for a minute and kill the ants that was under it. So I got rid of those ants, and I pulled a whole bottle of the ant treatment I use. Guys, I pulled a whole bottle of that, and I'm telling you, it kills those ants. The next step after I have cut my hedges, now I'm going to use this blower. And this blower here only have one speed, and it's kind of too strong. I wish I would have had the one with the 3-speed blower or the 2-speed blower. And if you get one, guys, make sure you get one with a different speed, because it blows too much. It works good for the sidewalk, but when it comes to trying not to blow too much of the mulch, it's just a little bit too strong. But I still end up working with it, doing the best I know how with this. And as you see, like I said, it's a strong blower. And afterwards, I have to clean up all of this. And the next step you see, the final thing you see, is putting this mulch down. So it is a process. And still yet, guys, this is the early morning. Sometimes the best way to clean out your flower bed or your flowers is just to use your hands. So get your hands and get you some gloves, and guys, go for it, because I had to, break off some things off these hedges, and I just use my hands and move the rest of the leaves out of the way. So just make sure you have on gloves, because you will have to use your hands. And that's a great tip for those who know who do the yard. You're going to need gloves, and there's times you're going to have to bend down, bend those knees, bend that back. Don't break your back, don't hurt yourself, but you got to use your hands. Friends, before I do my mulch, I just want to clean up all these leaves and debris and everything here. Just clean it up. Got to get everything nice and clean so I can put my mulch down. This is later on in the evening, because by the time I got to the mulch, the sun was already out and it was hot and I was sweaty. So I said, well, I'm going to wait later on this evening when it cooled back down. So this is later on in the evening, because that sun is not playing with you this year in July. It is just too hot. So this is my summer yard refresh. Hope y'all enjoy it. And this is the final stage of this, just putting your mulch down evenly. And some guys, I will be power washing the sidewalk, but they just have to cool down some more. Might try to do it next month, maybe. Not sure yet. But it has to be a little bit cool so I can get out here, because I want to repair the cracks and just, fix up the sidewalk, make it look a whole lot better. I was looking at some DIY ideas on how to improve the sidewalk. So that'll be a project coming soon. It might have to wait till the fall when it cool off. Friends, this is my final look. It came out great. I put the rocks around it. So please do like, comment, and do subscribe. Thank you, and please do visit me again. Y'all have a blessed week. God bless you from Penny, and bye-bye.